Good morning children, welcome back to the class. So I hope you all are fine at home and you have revised the lesson number 6, King Shibi we have discussed, and I have given you PDF also. I hope you all have completed. Now let us go for the next lesson. Okay, so we will be seeing the next lesson, that is the half of the prophet. So half of the prophet. What is that? Half of the prophet. So this prophet means what? So the word prophet means what we call. Do you know anything we are getting? So like I said, profit in the business. You buy the things and you sell. And how much you have brought the things, that money has came, and more amount also if you get means that we call profit. So more income is there, that we call as a profit. So what we say, how much we spend, more than that if you get money back, then we can call it as a profit. I have good profit in this business, we can say. So half of the profit. So what here we know? This half of the profit means what? So let us go to the lesson, then only we will know what had happened in the story. Why this word profit is used here, we will be knowing. Shall we start? Yes. So if you want to start, take out your textbook English 2nd and open the page number 40. Lesson number 7, page number 40. So now you also join with me. I will read and explain. Once a king decided to celebrate his 15th birthday grandly. So his 15th birthday grandly he wanted to celebrate. Wow, what a great thing. So we also celebrate our birthdays every year. And if it is 50 years or 25 years, so grand celebration will be there. So like that only 15th birthday. So we can understand how grand it will be. And he is also king. He made up his mind to give a royal feast. What feast? So royal. So what royal they have used? Royal means what? Feast means the food we are giving, and a royal means what it calls? Royal means of a king or queen. Means the person of a king or queen. King or queen. So, king or queen, royal persons we can. So, royal is the king, so he wanted to give such a feast to all his friends. So, for all his friends, he wanted to give the royal feast. On the occasion, he invited all the neighboring. So, on that particular occasion, he has called all his. Occasion means what we can say? Celebration, when we call gathering together. So in that occasion, he invited all his neighboring kings and noblemen. So noblemen he has invited and kings neighboring. So he is the king of the one kingdom. So he neighboring kingdom. So all the kings he has invited and noblemen. Noblemen means the people have having the good position in their life. We can. He ordered the grand feast to be prepared in the royal palace. So he has said to all his servants, so whomever this he has called them and said, the royal feast I want to give, so you make it grand. It should be a very grand. All the items should be there. All the eating items should be on the dining table. So no one should say that this is not there. This particular dish is not there, no one should speak. So everyone has to remember that all the items should be on the dining table. So everybody should speak about this royal feast lifelong. So he wanted that. So what happened? He told everything. And unfortunately, unknowingly, on the previous night of the royal feast. So today night dinner means previous night, means this night. So what happened? Previous means just before. So that what happened? We will see. Previous night of the royal feast, there was a severe storm. So what was the severe storm? So storm means we know. So in the sea they cannot go anywhere. So raining, so much wind will be there. In that wind nobody can go out and all. So lot of severe storm. As a result, no fisherman could go out into the sea to catch a fish. So because of this storm, no fisherman has gone out. No fisherman has gone out. So the fisherman only goes out and goes out to the sea and catch the fish. So when the storm is there, can we go to the sea? Is it possible? Never. So we should not go near that also, because the waves will be up and down and the wind will be more. So nobody cannot be. So they may die also sometimes because of that reason. The following morning too. So next day morning also nobody has gone. The sea was too rough to go for fishing. So the waves are up and down, very high waves are coming. So the sea is very rough. So nobody has gone. Therefore, on that day, there was no fish in the market. So because of that reason, on the feast day morning, no fish is available in the market also. Everywhere they have seen, but no fish is available. So then what happened? Therefore, on that day, there was no fish in the market. The king's steward. So the king's steward. So S-T-E-W-A-R-D, stewards. So his stewards means the persons who prepares the food. The persons who prepares the food and all we can call. So what we can give in that, who arrange the meals we can say. Arrange the food we can call. They have given in the meaning, you can see full meaning there. So just for understanding I am telling, steward means what we call the person who arranges the food and all and takes care of that all we can call. So they came, reached everywhere for a fresh fish. So they all went here and there in the market, not there. They have asked different people, but nowhere they got the fresh one. But no fish was available. They returned to the palace and reported the matter to the king. The lord, the chief steward will be there. So head of all the stewards. So the chief steward came forward and what he said, we could not get any fish. We shall have the feast without fish. So what he said, we have asked everywhere and we have seen in the market, nowhere the fish is available. So my lord, we have to arrange this feast without the fish only. The fish will be not there for this royal feast, he said. What? No fish for the feast? Asked the king in surprise. So immediately, what is happening? So no fish is there for the feast. So he was surprised. It is a dishonor to give a feast without a fish. So he said, this is a dishonor. So this is impossible. Without the fish, we cannot give any treat. So we need the fish for the feast, he said. So then what had happened, we will see. Tell everyone, I shall offer a very high reward to anyone who dares to go to the sea and catch a fish for the feast. So what he said, tell everybody what everyone, all the fishermen as there or other people, common people also, tell everyone who goes, who takes a dare step What a dare. So what is the meaning of dare? So dare means what? To have a courage. To have a, what we should have? To have the courage, we can say. So courage. To have a courage. So dare means to have a courage. Who has that much courage to go to the sea? Because they have to catch the fish like fish. So therefore that they have to go to the sea. So have a dare to go to the sea and catch the fish for the feast. So this thing he told his stewards and said, you give this information to all the people. Then let us see, whoever brings, we will give the very good, I will give the very big reward to them, he said. So what had happened? Listening the king's word, anyone went to the sea to keep their life in danger, or they left and all? We will see in the next class. I hope you have understood and enjoyed the lesson. Please read till here so that you can understand more, and thank you all.